Welcome to Easy, Healthy, Tasty, where a food writer and a dietitian show you the home cooking hacks that they use to make speedy meals for their families. I'm Jen, I'm the food writer, and I'm going to show you a little trick for those times when you want something to have with your cup of tea, but there's nothing in the cupboards and you don't have time to bake. It is gluten-free, dairy-free, only uses 5 ingredients, and it can be whipped up in the time it takes to make yourself a cup of tea. They are my Blondie Bliss balls. So let's get started. The first ingredient that makes up the bulk of this recipe is almond meal. Easy to buy in shops, or you can make your own. I've got half a cup of that and a quarter of a cup of desiccated coconut. That's all with the dry ingredients, so I'll mix them together. And now I'll add the wet ingredients. Now you can see I have a tablespoon of coconut oil here, and it is liquid. Coconut oil is a solid when it gets cold, but a liquid when it gets warm. In winter time, you might find that you need to heat this oil up in the microwave for just 10 or 20 seconds to get this kind of a look. But that's all right, because using coconut oil is what helps these balls stick together. To my tablespoon of coconut oil, I am going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and another tablespoon of maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you can easily use honey. Now, it doesn't really matter if they're not entirely combined, because we're just going to pour them on top . And mix everything together. Now here comes the fun bit. We're going to use our hands to make these into balls. Just scrap that off there. Now, probably you're going to make them slightly smaller than golf ball size, and you really just squeeze them in your hand until the mixture comes together, and voila, they're done. If you like that recipe, make sure you subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, or head to easyhealthytasty.com, where you can buy our book full of recipes that anyone can cook.